Namaste to all our readers. Myself Shivashish Chakraborty, CEO of Indus Ayurvedic Center in Mysore, and with me Dr. Deepti, our HOD medical team and sales marketing. We are here to announce the lucky winners of our last contest we have done. And thank you for all readers who have shown interest to answer. It is their love for Ayurveda and the contest. So there were two questions. Many people, we have got 200 plus answers. Interested our readers. Thank you so much for their interest, and keep looking in the same page, same place, so that you can get all our future updates and contests. You can be part of it and win exotic prizes. Today we have here close to 50 correct answers. Those who have given their name and the mobile number. So we'll do a lucky dip. So two lucky persons will win exotic one health kit from IVAC, which we'll explain a little later. So let us start with the lucky dip. So I'll ask Dr. Deepti, let me shuffle, and she will pick up the first lucky person from here. Please, Dr. Deepti.
It's Anita, and her mobile number starts with 876 and ends with 78.
Congratulations to you. And time for the next lucky winner. You suffer it. Let me pick it up. Thank you. Here is the second winner. Second winner name is H.V. Dwarakinath. Starts mobile number 98 and last 99 is our second winner here. Congratulations to both of you. You will receive our health detox kit very soon. So first two names we have announced, they will receive the health detox kit from Indus Ayurvedic Center, which is one of a kind in Indian market and even in the world. But right now we are only catering to our domestic and our Indian our guests. So I'll leave it up to Dr. Deepti to explain you what is our detox kit and how you can consume it sitting at home. Up to Dr. Deepti.
So let me explain you regarding the gift which you will be receiving, that is the home detox kit. In Ayurveda, Panchakarma is said to be the intense detox program. When compared to any sort of detox, Ayurveda detox is the intense detox program, which usually needs to be done in a residential setup under the supervision of a doctor. But it may not be practically possible for everyone of us with our busy schedule to go to an intense detox program. So Indus Valley Ayurvedic Center has come out with a special detox kit, which is a home detox kit, which you can do at home even by doing your regular work, and with your routine lifestyle also this detox can be done, which will help you to maintain your health. And this will be a program which would be monitored over the phone by our Indus Valley doctors. See, this is the detox program booklet, which is self-explanatory and which will help you in undergoing the detox program without any hassle. So this detox program brochure will explain you day to day what you need to do, and here there are ingredients which would be given to you with the medicines and also the food ingredients also. If you see the ingredients here like rice, dal, and also the powders like khichdi, rasam, and all the powders would be given to you, which you can prepare yourself and have during the detox program. And you can see the oils and the herbs which has been given here, which will be sent to you through the courier to your place, so that you can start doing the detox program, and our doctors would be in day-to-day touch with you to help you to undergo the detox. Even though this detox is not the intense detox, it is a mild detox, so that by taking it every 6 months you can keep your body cleansed and keeps you more healthier. Thank you.
So at the end of this episode, I would take the opportunity to congratulate both the winners, and not only the winners but every participant who has given the right answers. They have shown the interest to our contest, and keep looking at the same page and the same paper where we are running all the contest in coming future. There will be a lot of exotic rewards for you. So we take a leave for today, and soon we'll be with you again with the next contest. Thank you so much.